How to use parental control in Disney Plus. Welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control in Disney Plus. So Disney Plus offers several parental control including content reading, junior mode, profile pins, and profile creation restrictions, which can manage via the mobile app or the browser itself. So what you need is just log into your Disney Plus account. This prevents or just set a content rating. That means this prevents content above a chosen maturity level from appearing in the profile. Other than that, this you could also enable junior mode. So this actually provides a simplified interface with content suitable for all age activities. You could activate it by going to the edit profile section as well. Now, other than that, you could also set a profile pin, and you could also go ahead and restrict profile creation. So this requires an account password to create a new profile, prevent the children from bypassing content filter in a web browser or the app as well. So these are some of the common steps you could follow to use parental control in Disney Plus. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.